Welcome to the demo lecture 3 friends. In this video we will be seeing the super advanced price action concept. What is this super advanced price action concept? With the help of this concept friends, we will be able to identify the zone from where institutions are going to buy, and we will also be able to identify the zone from where institutions are going to sell. Can you imagine friends, if you will be able to identify that from where the institutions are going to buy or from where the institutions are going to sell? For that friends, we have to identify the 4 type of patterns on the chart. Okay, so 2 patterns for buying zone and 2 patterns for selling zone. So let's understand that in detail way. Let me tell you one thing friends, we will not only share with you this concept, but we will also explain you the logic behind this, and we will also explain you exactly how these transactions happen. Okay, so let's understand the concept first and then we will see the beautiful example. So for buying zone there are 2 formations, that is rally, base and rally, and again drop, base and rally. So these are the formations for buying zone. Similarly 2 zones for selling zone, drop, base and drop, rally, base and drop. These are the 2 formations for selling zone and these are the 2 formations for buying zone. Now friends, let me tell you one thing. These formations work in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. In any time frame of charts, even in 1 minute and 3 minutes. Okay, and let me tell you one more thing. This concept works in Indian stock market, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodity market, in any stock market of entire world. Friends, let me tell you one thing. Whatever we will teach you in 50 hours live training, that will be applicable in any market, because we are seeing the price action, and price action works everywhere. Okay, that too, whatever concepts we will explain you, that will definitely work in any market. Now let's understand this beautiful concept. We will see the logic of this first concept. Okay, so this is rally, base, rally. Why I am saying that institutions are buying here? What is the logic behind this? First let's understand. Now, so this is the big green color rally candle, correct? This is also big color green color rally candle. It means from here the price has traveled till here. Suppose this is 1 hour chart. Suppose this is just an example. Okay, so what has happened here friends, during this 1 hour, okay, price has traveled from here till here. Price has traveled from here till here. Okay, it means what friends? Price has traveled from here till here means during this 1 hour, suppose this is 1 hour chart. Okay, during this 1 hour there were more number of buying orders as compared to number of selling orders. Here it's one more logic friends. Repeat my line and understand it clearly. I said there are more number of buying orders as compared to number of selling orders. Friends, understand, it might happen that only single buyer has that much buying orders and multiple sellers had this much selling orders. Okay, so number of sellers and number of buyers doesn't matter. Number of buying orders and number of selling orders will decide the price movement. Okay, so let's say price has moved from here till here. It means during this time frame, during this 1 hour, there were more number of buying orders as compared to number of selling orders, due to which buyers has to sacrifice and buy at a costly price. It means what? Previously buyers were buying here, but now number of selling orders are very less. So all the buying orders will not get the opposite selling orders to get the order triggered. So what these buyers are doing? They are buying at a costly price. Okay, again they are buying at a costly price. Again they are buying at a costly price. All the buying orders are getting triggered at the costly price. That is the reason price has traveled from here till here. Okay, then suddenly after that price stuck in the small range. Okay, so there were more number of buying orders as compared to number of selling orders for entire 3 hours, suppose. Okay, but suddenly price stuck in the small range. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. Price gets stuck in the small range. That proves that there were almost equal number of buying orders and equal number of selling orders. This is something amazing, friends. Number of buying orders, whatever number of buying orders are coming, opposite number of selling orders are also coming. So that's why there is no room for the price to move much. There is no need for the price to move either up or down. So price stuck in the small range because number of buying orders and number of selling orders are almost equal. Okay. After the number of buying orders and number of selling orders becomes equal, suddenly price again burst out of this range. Okay. Price bursted out of this range. Now friends, understand the most beautiful concept here. The price bursted out of this range. Okay. And here buying orders and selling orders are almost equal at this range. Okay. Imagine friends, what is happening here. Buying orders and selling orders are equal at this range. Suddenly price bursted out of this zone. It means what? Number of selling orders at this range became 0. That is the reason at this range there was no selling order available and the buyers has to buy at the costly price again. It means what, friends? Whenever the number of buying orders and selling orders were equal, suddenly number of selling orders became 0. Now let me tell you the twist, friends. Only and only institutions have the capacity to make the number of selling orders 0, because they buy too much. When they start buy, they buy so much that or at that range number of selling orders becomes 0. That proves, friends, that institutions are buying here. Institutions have started buying here. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing, friends. There was an imbalance. So previously there was an imbalance. Buying orders were more and selling orders were not that much. Okay. Then there was a balance. Number of buying orders and number of selling orders were equal. Then suddenly imbalance happened. Okay. So after the balance, imbalance gets formed because of institutions buying or because of institutions selling. From this range, price bursted out of the zone. It means institutions are buying here. Okay. Now, friends, you guys will say that, sir, if institution will buy here, we might understand from the number of buying orders that we can see the deep order ratio, right? But friends, institutions will never let you know that from where they are going to buy. Okay. So what institutions will do to buy these orders? Suppose institutions want to buy 1 crore shares. Okay. This is just an example. Suppose institutions want to buy 1 crore shares. Now friends, institution will not directly put the order of 1 crore share. They will take a help of hidden order feature. What is this hidden order feature is? Institution will try to give, let's say, 10,000 shares. Okay. Institution will say to buy 1 crore shares. Okay. Institution will say buy 1 crore shares, but at a time show only 10,000 share single order. At a time show only single order of 10,000 shares. Okay. So as soon as this 10,000 shares gets fulfilled, another 10,000 shares orders will come. Okay. As soon as this another 10,000 shares order get fulfilled, third 10,000 shares orders will come. Okay. So now friends, understand 10,000 orders like this, institutions have to fill their 1 crore shares. Whenever institution will buy, friends, they need time. They want that the price should be there near their buying zone or near their buying range for as much time as possible. But friends, price was here only for 2 candles. Okay. Price was here only for 2 candles and institutions need minimum 7 candles to fulfill their all the orders. This is ideally we have identified that institutions need minimum 7 candles to fill their all orders. Okay. So here how many candles are there? Only 2 candles. So institutions have not got much time. This proves that whenever the price will come again here, institution will buy the balance order. It means what? Here whenever the institution started buying, all the 1 crore shares must not have been bought. It means let's say 30 lakh shares are bought here. So whenever the price will again come here, they will again buy the balance 70 lakh shares due to which price will burst out of this zone again. This is called the buying zone, friends. Okay, for how long we will rely on this zone, that everything will be shared in the 50 hours live training. There is a strategy behind this. The name of that strategy is follow the footprints. That is world's #1 strategy, friends. That strategy will be shared in 50 hours live training based on this concept. Okay, now what is the definition of this? How we will draw this zone? Okay, how we will identify the rally candle, how we will identify the base candles, how we will again identify the three components of zone, where we will draw this line, where we will draw this line, the above line and the lower line of a zone. That everything will be covered in 50 hours live training. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing. This is the basing, correct? And this is the basing. Okay, so before basing it's a rally, right? And before basing, sorry, this is the basing here, right? Before basing it's a drop, correct? So before basing it's a drop, before basing it's a rally, doesn't matter, friends. After basing it's a rally, after basing it's a rally, it means institutions are buying here. Similarly, before the basing, so here it's basing, right? And here it's basing. So before the basing it's drop, before the basing it's rally, doesn't matter. After the basing it's drop, after the basing it's drop, it means institutions are selling here. These are the selling zones. Let me show you one or two examples practically on charts. This everything will be covered. Whatever trades we have taken recently, I'll show you that. Okay, so this is your favorite, friends, Nifty, right? Let me draw the zone. So understand, this is drop, two base candles and drop. Okay, so drop, base, drop was the selling zone formation, right? It means institutions are selling here. Institutions are selling here. It must be red in color, so I made it red, right? So whenever the price will come here, we will again sell. Let's see, whenever the price comes here, yes, price came inside this, so immediately we sold it, and you can see the reaction. We got the profit here of reward to risk 2:1 or 3:1. That's it. Now second time we will not sell here, friends. We only sell for the first time. That is covered in the strategy that we will explain you. Let's see one more example. Suppose Bank Nifty 75 minutes chart. In any time frame we can see this. Okay, let me show you the clear example that you will understand very clearly. Yeah, you can see this is the drop. Okay, this is the drop, invisible candle. Okay, with the gap. This will also be covered in the 50 hours live training, how to identify the gaps and everything. So this is drop and base, single base candle, smaller one, and then rally. Okay, so it must be green in color. Let it make it in green color. Yeah, so whenever institutions have started buying here, whenever the price will come here, we will also buy, and you can see the reaction. Can you see the reaction? Okay, so this is what we will understand in 50 hours live training. Let me show you one or two more examples. I'll delete everything. Now let's see in the daily time frame. Okay, so if you will see this trade I had taken, let me show you. It was the beautiful example. Yeah, can you see this clearly? Rally, single base candle and rally. Okay, it means whenever the price will come here, we will buy here. It must be like this, right? So whenever the price will come here, we will also buy. Yes, price came here and you can see the reaction. Okay, now there is one more zone. If you will clearly see, it's a rally, single base candle and a big rally candle. Okay, it means whenever the price will again come here, we will buy, correct? So let's see what happens. Price came inside the zone. Yes, we bought, and you can see the reaction. Can you imagine this, friends? You will be able to buy with the institutions. You will be able to sell with the institutions with the help of this strategy that is based on super advanced price action concept. This entire strategy has 7-step process. All these 7-step process, probability enhancer, scoring, practical and recent charts we will see, and we will identify the opportunities that we can take trade on. This everything will happen in 50 hours live training, and the 24 live market sessions and 24 chart reading sessions for the entire year. We will see this and we will learn this. Okay, so be with us in the 50 hours live training. We will meet you there, friends.